You're not supposed to see someone get paralyzed from a sneeze, but it actually happened. In 2019, a man in the UK pinched his nose to hold in a sneeze and suddenly felt a sharp pop in his neck. Doctors later found that the pressure from the sneeze damaged tissues in his throat and neck. Sneezing can create air pressure strong enough to stress the spine and nearby nerves. In rare cases, that pressure can trigger serious injuries, especially if someone already has a weak spot in their spine. So the next time you feel a sneeze coming, don't fight it. Your body built that reflex for a reason. Subscribe. The next one might leave you speechless.